everybody, welcome back to Outnumbered Barbecue. Today I'm going to show you a side dish that's becoming more and more popular in barbecue restaurants, cream corn. This is not the normal cream corn I have a can. This is creamy, cheesy, delicious. Let me show you. We'll start with 4 pounds, 4 16-ounce bags of super sweet corn. Next we'll add 1 pint heavy whipping cream. One stick of butter. 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese. Just a warning, this recipe is not for the health conscious or the lactose intolerant. Then we'll add 16 ounces of Velveeta. For the spices, we'll add 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 teaspoon coarse ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and 4 tablespoons sugar. An optional ingredient is a small can of diced chilies. I'm not going to add this today. The kids are eating it, so it doesn't need to be spicy, but it's an excellent addition. Now we'll set the slow cooker to low for 5 hours. Here we're after 2 hours. We'll take the lid off, give it a little stir, let it keep going. And here it is after 3 hours. Everything is starting to melt down nicely. We'll give it a really good stir, get everything mixed in well. Still have another couple hours to go. Hey, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Let me know what other barbecue side dishes you'd like to see. And here we are after 5 hours. This is looking perfect. You see the bubbling around the edges. You don't want to cook it too long. It can definitely scorch. 5 hours I've found is the perfect amount of time. Give it a good stir. Looks pretty liquidy now. As it sits and cools, it will kind of thicken up. That looks perfect. Let's give it a taste. Here's the final product. Barbecue cream corn. Look at those little flecks of pepper in there. Let's get a taste of this, see how it turned out. That's really good. Creamy, a little bit sweet, cheesy. That's great. Once again, thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let me know what other videos you like to see, what other side dishes you like to see, and thanks for watching.